What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to redeem a Steam gift card in Steam, I guess. Yeah. So how to redeem a Steam gift card, it's very simple. Go to the top right hand corner of your Steam browser, click on your profile, even on the dollar icon, doesn't matter. Opens the same menu, and click on View My Wallet. Now here is the option that you want, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, but before you do that, you'll be able to see your current wallet balance. You can actually get things in your wallet by selling things on the Steam community market. And yeah, that's pretty much, or by adding funds. As you can see, you can add funds, you can purchase Steam dollars this way. And what do you do with the Steam dollars? You can buy things on the community market, or you can buy games, or you can gift games, or you can buy a few more things actually, probably like things in the community, like community awards and things you can do for posts on the community forum, things like that, that I'm not too familiar with. But either way, how to redeem the Steam gift card, click here and you just enter the code right here. Again, it shows you your wallet balance. And after you click continue and your Steam wallet code, which is the code on the Steam gift card here, it will update your Steam wallet balance here and up here as well. This is pretty much the center of truth. It'll show it up here, updated at all times. And if it doesn't, you can always do a refresh. Like you just go to the community market, load a new web page. You'll be able to see your web balance up here too. So that's pretty much how you load a Steam gift card, guys. Unfortunately, I don't have one with me to do it with you live, but you just have to go to that menu again. So go to Wallet, redeem Steam gift card or balance code, and then yeah, this is what they'll look like. So you can find the wallet code here, enter it, and then click continue. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.